Please enjoy the following savings through the end of August with no coupon codes required. Buy any 3 patterns and get 3 patterns free. You must put all 6 patterns into your cart. Once the 6th pattern is entered into the cart, 3 will be marked free. This applies to any multiple of 6 as well. Buy 6 patterns, get 6 free. Buy 12 patterns, get 12 free. But wait, there's more. Buy any ebook and get a second ebook for free. You must put both ebooks into your cart. Once the second ebook is entered into the cart, it will be marked free. This applies to any multiple of 2 as well. Buy 2 ebooks, get 2 free. Buy 4 ebooks, get 4 free. If you have any questions, please ask. If you are logged into your account at the time of purchase, you will receive the additional benefit of always having your purchases available in your download library. There you will enjoy 24/7 access and unlimited downloads. If you prefer to order without an account, you may download from the emails that will be automatically generated immediately after your purchase. Please be sure to check your spam or junk mail if you don't see the email, as it's probably there.